Here the problem is, here this is the drill problem of William Hythe. Calculate the total charge within the region. So here rho v is equal to 1 by x cube plus y cube plus z cube, where here the limits are given as 0.1 less than or equal to modulus of x, comma modulus of y and modulus of z less than or equal to 0.2. These are the limits. Here the key point is limits. So how to choose the limits is the key point. So here rho v is equals to rho square z square sin 0.65, and here where rho is varies from so 0, in between rho is varies from 0 to 0.1, and this is the second problem b bit. Rho v is equals to sin phi. Rho limits are like this. Rho is varies from 0 to 0.1, and phi is varies from 0 to pi, and z is varies from 2 to 4. And here the c problem is rho v is equals to this thing e power minus 2r divided by r square. So limits are universe, and here also the key points are how to choose the limits for universe. So let us discuss about the first problem A. Here the rho v is equal to 1 by x cube plus y cube z cube 1 by. So here the limits are, so x modulus of x in between 0.2 and 0.1 and 0.2. The modulus of x means plus or minus 0.1, and modulus of x means plus or minus 0.2. So here the limits are x is greater than 0.1 means x is plus or minus 0.1. That means x is having in between plus or minus 0.1. That means range of minus 1 to plus 1. And similarly, for if you consider for x is equal to 0.2, x is equal to 0.2, then x is varies from minus 0.2 to plus 0.2. That means this is the maximum limit, and here where x is modulus of x is 0.1 is minimum limit. That means since we have to cover maximum limit means we choose x as plus or minus 0.2. That means x ranges from minus 0.2 to plus 0.2. So this is how we should be able to consider into the account. So similarly, same here the limits are given as for three same limits. X modulus of x 0.1 in between 0.2, y modulus of y 0.1 to 0.3, and modulus z 0.1 to 0.2. So for the same y and z also we need to be considered into in between minus 0.2 to plus 0.2. So once you choose the limits, then you write this equation: minus 0.1, 0.2 to plus 0.2, minus 0.2 to plus 0.2, and z is minus 0.2 1 by x cube plus y cube z cube. Thus, once you choose the limits x for minus 0.2 plus 0.2, y for minus 0.2 plus 0.2, z for minus 0.2 plus 0.2, 1 by x cube y cube z cube dx dy dz. So here, since the function is 1 by x cube y cube z cube is an odd function, that means once you since it is an odd function because whose values are cube, so definitely it leads a symmetric value with an opposite sign. So that for this, these symmetrical inputs with opposite values. So that's why finally it leads to 0 value. This is how we solve this problem like that. And for the problem B, here the q is equals to rho, phi and z values are directly given. This is the direct problem. No need to worry about this thing. So rho varies from 0 to 0.1, and q is equal to rho v dv. So rho v value is given rho square z square sin 0.65 dv, where dv is equals to rho d phi dz. These are the volume integral rho d phi dz. So directly has given the values, limits 0 to 0.1 for rho and 0 to pi for phi, z is equal to 0 to 4. Thus simply we have written rho square z square sin 0.6 rho d phi dz. So a separable method, rho cube d rho sin 0.65 d phi and z square dz. So directly this is the very easy problem. So that means we can write this integral as 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. That means rho power 4 by 4, 0 to 0.1. Similarly, sine becomes minus cos. So minus cos 0.6, 5 by 0.6, 0 to limits of upon limits of 0 to pi. And similarly, z square means z power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That means z power cube by 3, 2 to 4. Thus, finally, it leads to this value, and we can solve it very easily. And coming to the third problem, here also a key point is how to choose the limits. So here the rho v value is equals to e power minus 2r by r square, where dv is equals to d rho. These are the spherical coordinates, dr, r d theta, and r sin theta d phi. These are the spherical coordinates, standard conventional spherical coordinates. So then from this dv is equal to r square sin theta dr d theta and d phi. Here the universal limits means r varies from 0 to phi and theta varies from 0 to 2 pi by 2. That means only single direction. From means like this. This is phi, horizontal, but whereas theta is from here to here, only 0 to pi angle, only half part. Whereas this is horizontally, it's a rotating. That means phi is equals to 0 to 2 pi, phi. This is the phi, and this is for theta, only half part. That means from bottom to this thing, that means half part. Okay, once choose that limit, r is varies from 0 to infinity, and phi is varies from 0 to 2 pi, and theta varies from 0 to 2 pi by 2. That means only pi. So, and separable, that means square by is e power minus 2r by r square sin theta dr d theta d phi, where r square also gets cancelled, and separable them. That means this is integral 0 to 2 pi and 0 to infinity, and phi is 0 to 2 pi and minus cos theta 0 to 2 pi by 2 pi. So finally, this is how the mathematical calculation, and finally this value is 6.28 coulombs. This is how we can finish the problem.